eufy NVR security system. This one has two of these PoE bullet cameras, and you have two of these. These are the PoE bullet camera and PTZ. So these are better than these because these two are basically these two up here, and then you got a 360 PTZ camera, which is really useful. So you can see right here, these are the cameras. I prefer the kit that has 4 of these because the 360 degrees are really nice because they rotate all around automatically to detect and follow your subject, and they pan, they tilt, and they zoom. Now this one on the top has your 120-degree field of view, and you can angle this manually. Once you fix it, it just stays fixed. And you can also rotate this and find the perfect orientation, so that's always looking at that area there, and then this goes 360. Or you can have it always looking at this area here, and this is 360. So it's up to you. But it's really nice that this is the 120-degree field of view camera here, whereas with this kit you get 2 of these extra cameras, right? So these cameras are simply the 120-degree field of view, and you just point them wherever you want. Super simple. 2 screws right there, actually 3 screws, and that's how you mount them. They are PoE just like the rest of the setup. So this one is your power over Ethernet cable. You connect it just like the other cable over here. This one we connected already to the Ethernet like this. Super simple. It's water seal, so it's basically an Ethernet cable and with little hardware so you can seal it from the water. And you also have a backup power if you need to, but you don't really need to install that. So the kit is installed with 2 of these cameras and 2 of these. You also get your NVR. So this is the NVR unit here. It has a built-in 2 terabyte storage right there. There's our HHD or HDD, your LAN and your power. Over here, you got your LAN port and your 8 PoE output that goes to each of the cameras. So you can hook up all 4 of these cameras, and you can hook up 4 more, and you can even connect a network switch that's PoE compatible to get up to 16 channels if you really want. You got 2 USB ports here. You got a mouse, so you can connect the mouse to it, so you can display the security footage. You have an HDMI to connect to a monitor or a TV to display the footage, or you can use the eufy security app to monitor all these cameras. You got an audio out, you got USB Type-C, and you got your DC in. The DC in is your power source, so you will need to power it with this right here, and then this connects to your outlet right here. So very simple step. You have the HDMI cable, you have the Ethernet cable that will connect this to your network, and then you have all these connections right here so that you can attach the Ethernet cable. You get 4 Ethernet cables. Each of them are 59 feet, and they are terminated and ready to go with your PoE system, or you can use your own PoE Ethernet. It's up to you. You got the mounting brackets for the PTZ cameras, and then these cameras right here, you just mount them straight in. So simple. So this one is your eufy NVR security system. It's the S4. Remember, the S4 has 2 of these cameras and 2 of these. If you get the S4 Max, it has 4 of these cameras, but it's up to you on how you want to set it up. You can mix and match the combos. You can connect up to 8 on one NVR system, and you can add a network switch that's PoE compatible for another 8, so 16 total. There we go, the NVR security system from eufy. You don't have to have any service plans. Everything is stored locally in here because there's 2 terabyte local storage right here. Really good night vision. This is got AI technology and all the good stuff. So that's what you get right here. This is a kit with these cameras right here.